Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the periodic table. Now the arrangement of all the known elements according to their property in such a way that the element which with similar property are grouped together in a tabular form, that is known as periodic tables. Now our modern periodic tables development of periodic tables. First of all, laborious classifications. According to laborious, all the known elements in those times are grouped in two categories. One is metal and other is non-metals. Simply two categories, but this model is failed because some elements have both metal as well as non-metal properties. So this model rejected. After that, Prout hypothesis developed. According to this, all the elements are made of hydrogen. It means that atomic weight of element is equal to the N into atomic weight of hydrogen atoms. But in those times there are some elements having atomic weight in the decimal, so that this model is also rejected. After that, there were near trade rules exist in 1817. Now, according to this, he arranged the element in form of trade, three elements in form of trade, and the weight of middle element is the average sum of first and last element, but this is also failed because such type of properties don't exist. Now after that, New Land Ashtak rule exists. According to this, arrange the element and every 8 atoms have similar to the property of first atoms. But after that, calcium, these properties also fail. Now after that, Luther-Meyer curves developed in 1869. According to this, it developed a curve with respect to atomic number and atomic weight, and see that at the top of these curves, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and after that another elements. Now periodic table, the arrangement of all the known elements according to their properties in such a way that the element with similar properties are grouped together in a tabular form is called periodic table. It means that the arrangement सभी नॉन एलिमेंट को उनके गुण के आधार पर कुछ ग्रुपों में बांटा गया, जिसे हम टेबुलर फॉर्म या पीरियोडिक टेबल कहते हैं। डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल के डेवलपमेंट में कई वैज्ञानिक अपना मत प्रस्तुत किए, जिसमें लैवोसियर क्लासिफिकेशंस, अकॉर्डिंग टू लैवोसियर क्लासिफाइड द एलिमेंट आर classified simply in metal and non-metal. First of all, according to this, all the elements divided in two categories. One is metal and another is non-metal. Metals have the tendency of losing the electrons. Here sodium to lose one electron form the sodium ion, potassium lose one electron form potassium ion, and non-metal have tendency of gaining the electrons. Here chlorine gain the electrons, that is a chloride ion. Here gain the electrons, and here in this case chlorine gain the electron, chloride ion. Drawback of limitation. Here, when some elements have the property of metal and non-metal both, and in the classification of this, Lavoisier could not decide where to the place of मेटलाइट, अर्थात मेटलाइट का स्थान जो है कहाँ रहेगा, यह जो है लैवोसियर डिसाइड नहीं कर पाया। नेक्स्ट स्टेज में प्राउस्ट हाइपोथेसिस। Proust hypothesis, according to this, all the elements are made up of hydrogen. So we can say that atomic weight of element equal to n into atomic weight of hydrogen, where n is the number of hydrogen atoms. But it could not. Here it has drawback. Every element cannot be formed by hydrogens, as is known, and atomic weight of all elements were not be found to be in a whole number. For example, the weight of chlorine is 35.5. Now, after that, third scientist Dubrovnik takes rules in the 1817s. He made group of 3 elements having similar chemical properties. Now, atomic, that is known as trace. Here, that is known as trace. Atomic weight of middle element. Here, we have 3 elements: chloride, bromide, and iodide. Atomic weight of middle element is nearly equal to the average atomic weight of the first and third element here, this and this, x 35.5 plus 127, this is equal to 81.2. Here the weight of atomic weight of bromine is 80, but with the help of this rule we calculate the atomic weight of bromine is 81.2. Drawback: all the known elements could not arrange in form of trade, and this rule is not applicable for the DNF block element, so that this classification also. After that, Newland octet rule. Now Newland octet rule, it was existed in the 1865. The element of he arranged all elements in increasing order of their atomic mass. न्यूलैंड ऑक्टेट रूल के अनुसार जो है सभी एलिमेंट को परमाणु भार के बढ़ते क्रम में सजाया गया. And observe that the property of every eighth element was similar to the first element, like in case of musical vowel notation. इस रूल के अनुसार सभी एलिमेंट को परमाणु एटॉमिक मास परमाणु द्रव्यमान के बढ़ते क्रम में सजाया गया. सजाने के बाद से देखा गया कि प्रत्येक आठवां एलिमेंट का गुण जो है प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के समान है. जिस तरह से म्यूजिकल वावेल नोटेशन में सा रे गा मा पा गा निशा है. सिमिलरली property of first element and last element same. Just like here, property of lithium is same to sodium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that property of this is same. This property of lithium are similar to the earth element beryllium. And now drawback of Newland octave rule. Here, as we see that all the elements to arrange their atomic mass, we see that every earth element has similar property of the first element, but in this case some drawback. The rule is valid up to calcium, because after calcium, due to presence of D block element, and there is a difference of 18 element instead of 8 element. Second, after discovery of inert gas, and we include the inert gas in the tables, then earth element are not maintained, so this law had to drop out. इस लॉ को जो है छोड़ दिया गया. अब जो है नेक्स्ट लूथरमेयर कर्व in 1869. Luthermeyer draw a curve atomic weight with respect to atomic volumes and observe some properties. Most electropositive element, that is alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium are at the top peak of the curve. Less electropositive elements, that is alkaline earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium occupy the descending position on the curves. This, so that metallite, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and transition metal occupy the bottom. Here in this case, transitional element in this case, so that conclusion result of this model on the basis of this curve, the physical property of element are periodic function of their atomic weight, and this is the base of Mendeleev periodic table, because Mendeleev also arranged the element in ascending order of atomic weight. Now we discuss about the Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic tables in 1869. The physical and chemical property of element are the periodic function of their atomic weight. It means that Mendeleev arranged the periodic tables with respect to ascending of atomic weight. Here characteristic of Mendeleev periodic table: first, it is the boss on the atomic weight. यह periodic table परमाणु भार पर आधारित है. 63 elements were known. Noble gas were not discovered. In this times, only 63 एलिमेंट की जानकारी थी, नोबल गैस का खोज नहीं हुआ था. 7 period and 8 group are in the Mendeleev periodic tables. Each group up to 7th is divided into the two subgroup A and B. A subgroup elements are called the normal or representative element, and B subgroup element are called the transition element, and the F group consists of 3 elements in the 3 row. Here, merit or advantage of Mendeleev periodic tables. इसका क्या मेरिट था? फर्स्ट टाइम all known elements were classified in groups according to their similar properties, so study of properties of element become easier. सबसे पहला टाइम था जब सभी एलिमेंट का वर्गीकरण ग्रुप वाइज हुआ और प्रत्येक एलिमेंट के अध्ययन करने में आसानी हुई. सेकेंड, some gaps were left in the periodic tables after discovered of elements settle at that gaps. Mendeleev periodic table में कुछ गैप मेंडलीव महोदय द्वारा छोड़ा गया था, जो बाद में एलिमेंट का खोज हुआ तो उस गैप पर सटीक बैठा, जैसे स्टर्डियम है, गैलियम है, जर्मेनियम है, एंड सो ऑन. नाउ correction of doubtful atomic weight. Atomic weight equal to valency into equivalent weight. Initially, equivalent weight of beryllium is 4.5, and it is known In that time it is a trivalent, so atomic weight were 3 into 4.5, that is a 30.5. There is no space in the Mendeleev tables because Mendeleev arranged the table in order to increasing of atomic weight. Here, so after corrections, beryllium is divalent and its atomic weight is 2 into 4.5, that is 9. There was space between lithium and beryllium, boron, lithium and boron are this element in Mendeleev tables. The correction will done in the uranium, beryllium, indium, Au, gold, platinum. Now demerit of Mendeleev periodic tables. Demerit, position of hydrogen. Hydrogen has some similar properties like alkali metals first and the halogen seventh. So Mendeleev could not decide where to place hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट में फर्स्ट ए और सेवेंथ ए के समान एलिमेंट वाले तत्वों के गुण पाए जाते हैं, इसलिए हाइड्रोजन को कहाँ रखा जाए यह मेंडलीव के आवर्त सारणी में डिसाइड नहीं हो पाया। नाउ पोजीशन ऑफ आइसोटोप्स हियर, as we know that atomic weight of isotope are differ and Mendeleev periodic tables are arranged in increasing of atomic weight. Here some in Mendeleev table no space for this. Now position of isotope, atomic weight of isotope are differ and for the same elements in Mendeleev tables no space for this type of element. Third, there were some pair of elements which do not follow the increasing order of atomic weight rule. At the base of periodic table is in arranged in increasing of atomic weight, but some elements here that cannot follow these rules. Now like element we have placed similar group. Here platinum and gold have similar property, but platinum placed at F group and Au gold at the first B group. Now unlike element were placed in the same group, first group, that is first A and first B. Now lithium, sodium, in this case lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Here potassium is more reactive element, rubidium is alkali metal, that is normal metal, and in this case this is a less reactive, this is valence metals and this is the transition metals, so that similar properties, unlike properties, elements placed at the same group and next it was not clear that lanthanide and actinide are related to with third A group or third B group. With the for this element, no clear that where lanthanide and actinide are situated. Now, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.